Hi and welcome. Today we'll be taking a look at AMANA's XBRL solution. The software is XBRL certified and compatible for iXBRL document tagging using any XBRL taxonomy. It's also an implementation-free plug-and-play solution. Let's take a look. Getting started with XBRL Tagger is quick and easy. A configuration wizard will guide you through the initial setup. Simply select a report document, the respective taxonomy to be applied, and complete various essential attributes such as your company name, your reporting currency, number scaling, and so on. As you can see, the interface is very succinct and structured. The document being prepared is in the pane on the left, and the documents can be prepared in a range of formats including Word, PDF, and InDesign. The pane on the right displays the presentation link base, or the taxonomy, from which you can select concepts to apply to the report. The properties and attributes of any item selected in the presentation link base are displayed in the properties pane. Producing error-free reports efficiently is essential, so AMANA offers an effective way to navigate and search the taxonomies. As AMANA's solution is multilingual, these taxonomies can be applied in a variety of different languages. The tagging itself couldn't be easier. For text tags, simply drag a concept from the presentation link base and drop it onto the desired text in the document. Tables such as financial statements are also quick and easy to tag with drag and drop functionality. AMANA's Table Tagger allows users to tag elements in the financial statements manually on a line-by-line and column-by-column basis. AMANA also offers an auto tagger that makes effective use of AI and short work of tables. Results are indicated by the yellow cells. Merely evaluate the auto tagger results and confirm or reject them, which can also be performed individually or in batches. It's easy and intuitive to create taxonomy extensions with AMANA's XBRL Tagger for those business-specific reports that require more detail than described in the taxonomy. The software will parse the taxonomy's calculation relationships and highlight figures that don't add up according to these rules. You can even define your own calculation relationships. Some reports may include complex tables where X and Y axes contain a blend of information. XBRL Tagger handles this easily, as you can drag and drop tags onto any intersection of the table. You can even copy mappings between tables. This is useful when similar but complex tables exist for the current and prior reporting period. The validation rules defined by the taxonomy are executed when you prepare the final document. This provides the opportunity to correct any issues before submitting the file to the regulator. Validation errors and warnings are a direct reflection of the rules and messages defined by the actual taxonomies. As such, you'll need to clear all blocking errors. In addition to the standard XHTML output, XBRL Tagger offers a range of useful outputs. As you would expect, it produces the final taxonomy, which can be reused the next time the report is to be prepared. The entire set of rules and tags can also be reviewed in a very comprehensive Excel log. And there you have it, AMANA's ready-to-go, feature-rich and very easy to navigate XBRL Tagger to prepare your iXBRL reports. Now, all these great features are also available in AMANA's complete disclosure management solution, SmartNotes. To learn more about that, feel free to check out our disclosure management category on DemoCentre.io. Thanks for watching.